Everyone, how is it going? We're finally starting to see some action in the market. The stock market on Friday closed with some nice buying pressure. Futures are up at the moment. Altcoins had a nice little pump earlier today. Bitcoin and Ethereum had a nice little pump, but nothing too crazy. What we're going to start to see is where the market takes us going into the new year. So tomorrow's the first day that the stock market opens up, and we'll likely see if the crypto market kind of follow the same moves that the stock market does. So crypto is still asleep a little bit while we're seeing some progress, which is great. However, we'll see more of a momentum in the crypto market once we see the stock market kind of make its decision. But let's talk about this crypto market and let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin here yesterday, when we had that little bit of a move on the altcoins, pumped right up to this 50 moving average right here. We can see that picture perfect right here. Kissed the 50 MA and then it rejected, but we're still in an uptrend. We've been putting in higher lows, as you guys can see. This bottom held right here. We got a higher low, we got a higher low, higher lows up. So things are wrapping up. But if we do not break out of here, we're going to reject pretty nasty. And as you guys can see with my EQ clouds, there's a lot of range to the downside here at 13.5. And if we do a fib retracement as well, we can see our golden ratio takes us right down to about 13.6, 13.5. So if the market does not continue its bullish momentum that we saw from the Friday close, and if crypto doesn't break through this area, which you see, you haven't been able to break through here besides this FOMC meeting. So one other thing to realize is next week we have another FOMC meeting of right around January 13th or 14th or maybe the 12th, but exactly 1 month from here. So we'll see how things go with that FOMC meeting as well. If they drop rates down to 0.25 basis points versus 50 basis points, the market will be happy, which is kind of expected. So again, we're looking for the break above 16.9. If you guys look, I did change some numbers now. If you guys remember, if I was short on Bitcoin below 16.8 and then long on 17.4, and with Ethereum I was short under 1280 and long over 1320. I did just change those numbers, so please make sure you pay attention. The ETH numbers have changed from 1280 to 1320 to short is now under 1240 and long is 1280. And Bitcoin long is still 17.4, but short is now 16.4 instead. So right under 16.4 is where we start to short. So with the Bitcoin market, you guys can see where we've still been in this long range for quite some time. So in terms of price action and levels, they haven't changed too much, but the long and short levels did change. So keep those in mind when you guys are trading. And we're going to watch for Bitcoin to finally break above the upside, get over 17,400, and really start to bullish momentum up all the way up to about 19.4. So my bias is that if the market does continue the bullish momentum, Bitcoin will finally pop up and break out of this area, because we've been consolidating in this area for a bit too long, kind of just like right here. And just like right here too, there needs to be a move one way or the other. Up or down, we don't care, but we can see after the last few consolidation zones, we've went up and then we made new lows. We spiked up, made new lows, spiked up, made new lows. So if we spike up again and make new lows, wouldn't surprise me, but we'll see how the buying pressure goes. Not too much explaining to do, especially if you guys follow the strats. We know that we'll go bullish once we break through the 34. So I do like this tight range of consolidation that we've been having. I do like the buying pressure that came into the market on Friday, but we are technically bearish on Bitcoin, and that's okay. And next is ETH. Very, very similar situation, if not almost identical. If I zoom out, kind of the same patterns, right? We're seeing the consolidation to new lows, consolidation spike up to new lows, consolidation spike up. Where ETH is a little bit different is we've been holding this low way since June, right? So a long time in this consolidation phase. So ETH has been the performer out of the crypto market compared to Bitcoin. So we'll see if ETH continues to lead the way or not. And just like here, oops, We have the FOMC meeting right here. We have another one coming up right here in this range, so in a week from now. So again, just like Bitcoin, guys, we're looking for the break to the upside here to continue upside to about 1300 and then go to 1399 or 1400 to round up. But a lot of room to the to the downside here on ETH as well at around 950 to 1000. You'll see a lot of buyers coming in at 1000. But in terms of trading technicals, ETH in itself, you can see this range has been going on since December 16th for over a month. So that's what I'm saying. The crypto market itself has just been slow and just kind of been waiting to see what the stock market's going to do, because this is a month of action right here where you can see the range. So that's why when we're trading our altcoins that follow ETH so heavy, you're seeing spike up movements about 1, 2, maybe 3% happening, but not too much after that. So we really do need to see of some type of momentum to the upside or to the downside. Now that people are back from the holidays, maybe we'll see some more volume come in. Volume has picked up. So if you look at my notes, the volume on December 24th, 25th, 26th was just insanely low. This is right here in this area. And you can see ever since the 26th, we've doubled in volume right here with these volume bars coming in at double. Still not too crazy of volume, but at least double the volume. We're still getting something in the market. So we really just need to just sit back and wait. I know as boring it is, but sometimes we just got to wait. If the market is just like fishing or hunting, you just got to put your strategy out or put your order out and just wait for that prey to come in, wait for that move to happen. And then when it happens, then you strike. And that's just, unfortunately, the reality is sometimes when it comes to trading the markets, you just got to wait. And we're in the situation where there's just not much momentum in the crypto market because of just what's going on. So new year in terms of trading starts tomorrow morning for us. So I'm super excited to see what that brings to the crypto market and to the stock market. Stay tuned, guys, and tag us if you have any other questions, and I'll post all the levels in the description. Make sure you pay attention because levels did change. So pay attention. Peace, guys.